Always the middle of summer when it's hottest that you run into your problems. Outside air conditioner was starting to lose its chill. That was the first sign it needed replacement. I'll tell you, the first call was awesome because when they picked up, they were just excited to hear from me, which you don't usually get that experience. They were incredibly reliable. They told me when they were going to come. They text you that morning. They send you the picture of the technician that's coming out, give you plenty of lead time, and absolutely felt like we got the red carpet service. It was a 5-star experience from start to finish, from the moment they walked through the front door, put their footies on, to completing the job and making sure everything was cleaned up and the house looked beautiful when they left. The level of care he provided us, it wasn't just a service call for him. He spent the time, he really explained things. It just made us feel really comfortable, and these were big numbers that we were having to invest in, and it makes it a lot easier when you have confidence in the provider to make that decision. We've had no problems, and it's been cool and very delightful to be in the house ever since.